Hi loves, what is up? It's AshecaLee here, back at it with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to properly clean and prep your lace wig so that the second time around it will look brand new. Okay, so I just showed you guys the residue of the glue on the lace. We're going to take care of all of that. So first, I'm literally just washing my hair with the water, just letting the water run through the hair and just collect all of that residue on it. So as you guys can see, that water is literally just draining all of that dirt, all of the oils, the buildup product in the hair, and that's what we want. So I also know that you can remove the glue before you wash it. I've tried it both ways, and I actually like this way much better because it makes it harder to clean off that glue off of the lace. So what you guys see me doing now is using the Tresemme shampoo, and I'm just rubbing it into the hair. Now you guys know when you first do your first lather, it's not going to be as soapy, and it's not going to be filled with lather the first time around because it's literally cleaning off that dirt. So your second lather is gonna give you more soapy look and just kind of let you know that you're doing it right, that you're cleaning your hair, and that your hair is cleaner than it was when you first started. So I'm just running my hands through this curly unit. Now you guys, this is the same unit from Julia. Now if you guys have not seen my video on how I installed this hair, then definitely go ahead and check that video out. So I'm just zooming in to show you guys the actual curl pattern. The hair is still very nice, full, and it still has its curls. It's beautiful. I forgot the lengths, but all of their information will be down in the description box below. So this is pretty much just like an updated info about how the hair has been holding up. So yeah, I actually really love the hair. I deep conditioned this hair before, so I feel like that helped the curls to stay longer and to be more defined. So after we applied our shampoo, I'm just going in and washing that out, and I'm showing you guys the glue now. So the glue is less strong. Now it's a bit more fragile and easier to come off. As you guys see, my fingers pretty much taking it off. So this is why I like to do this technique instead of trying to scrub the glue off the lace, because the more you hassle the lace, the more the risk is for the hair to pretty much fall out and for the lace to shed and become bald. So I try to do less tension as possible so that my wigs can stay longer. So now I'm just going in with my second shampoo, and I'm using that same Tresemme shampoo. And as you guys can see, the lather is much better now. So that's showing me that the first time I washed the hair, that it pretty much washed well, and the hair is much more clean, which is what I wanted, and which is what anybody wants when they're reusing or reinstalling their bundles. So if you guys follow the steps, you'll be okay. So when washing and maintaining your curly hair, your fingers are going to be your best friend. Now, when I say this, I mean by detangling, you want to use your fingers. Your fingers are bigger than fine-tooth combs, and they won't rip as much hair out as possible. Now, keep in mind that when you are dealing with curly hair, you will get some shedding because it's curly hair. The hair tends to knot up because of the curls. It will, clump together, all that type of stuff. So, just keep in mind that you want to stay away from using any fine teeth combs or anything like that. So, I'm literally just, shampooing the hair. You guys should know how to do this. It's pretty easy, but I just wanted to give you guys my take on how I pretty much prep my hair before I'm ready to install it again the second time around. So literally as I'm washing the hair, the glue is just sliding off, which I absolutely love, and it's less work for me. So I'm definitely going to keep going that round. So now I'm going to go in with the conditioner, and this is the Smooth and Silky conditioner, the same line, the same brand. And I'm just going in and applying this all over the hair. So this is one of the most important parts with dealing with curly hair. You want to make sure that your hair is always conditioned, that your hair is always moisturized and always has some type of moisture on the hair, because if you don't, the hair will look super dry and brittle, and it's just not okay. It just won't look right. So right here I'm showing you guys the amount of shedding that I got just from using my fingers. Now if you were to go in with a fine tooth comb, yeah, you will have way more shedding than that. So yeah, I'm just going in with some more conditioner, rubbing it in my hands, and make sure that I'm saturating it through all of the hair, because this is so important. The shampoo cleans the hair, but the conditioner gives back more moisture and allows the hair to look even more silky and smoothie. So now I'm gonna go in with my alcohol, and this is the easiest part. So you literally just take it on a rag or a towel, and you just wipe. You can scrub, you can wipe. Be gentle. It may look like I'm not being gentle, but I am. I'm just using a bit more pressure. So as you guys can see, the glue is pretty much coming off, which is what we want. We don't want to work harder. We want to work smarter, okay? And this is my little trick. So as you guys can see, the glue is literally just coming off. And yeah, I feel like that's the most important part, getting that residue off, because if you don't, the next time you go in and try to apply your unit, it won't lay properly, and it won't lay as long as it could if there was absolutely no residue and if it was proper. So now I'm just going in with my wide tooth comb, and I'm just literally just detangling the hair, because sometimes your finger doesn't do that much of a good job. So that was the excess hair that fell off. So now I'm just rinsing the hair out, and that is pretty much it, guys. You can go ahead and add your deep conditioner and let your hair sit for about 10 to 15 minutes for a better, finishing look. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, then you know what to do. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and if you guys are interested in purchasing this hair, go ahead, click that description box down below. So before we go, today's motivational quote is, "Don't let them change your heart. Sometimes you'll have to be strong enough to forgive without hearing an apology." So with that being said, I will see you loves in my next video. Bye.